Hey guys, what's up? We got a nice Acura RS XS right here. Looks nice, very nice. Look at the wheels right there. Those look nice, really nice. Blacked out. I like blue a lot, you know. I like the blue accent on the wheels right there. But he needs a black caliper. That looks really nice. That looks nice. Looks really nice. Got a sunroof. Let me see if it's a manual. Yep, it is a manual. That's cool right there. Absolutely beast. Damn. And then exhaust right there. Let me see if I can fist it. Yep, I can fist it. That means it sounds really good. Blacked out taillights. Ooh, I like those taillights. Look at them. Damn, they're really good. Nice. Right there. It's a GTR right there. Fuck, I'm messing up right now. Oh my god, no. Yo, a Nismo 370Z. That looks beast right there, man. It's raining right now. See, it's all wet. It was flooding just a little bit, but it's clearing up right now. Blue skies are coming, but that Z looks really nice. Looks really nice. Damn. But it doesn't sound good though. It definitely needs some. See, it's floating right now. See, right there, floating in the tunnel. Oh, whoa! It's skiing in the rain. Holy shit! Follow this guy. Damn! Did you guys see that? That was awesome. That was awesome. That's a Mini Cooper right there. It sounds so good. Wait until the light is green. You see what I'm talking about. It sounds so good. And I don't know what's going on here. It's probably some student causing some trouble or something. And then here it goes. Oh yeah. Oh. Yep. He's about to rev the Copper S. Okay, go. That's loud. That's loud. That's loud. Can you go around the parking?
Yeah, I got you.
Damn. 6 speed. Is this gas mileage good?
Yeah. It's hella good, bro. That chick goes like 35 miles an hour, or like 35 miles a gallon.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's ridiculous. Yo, don't burn up all your tires this night, dog. Damn, that looks mean too. Yeah, you can smell the tire. Yeah. Damn. That looks... Can you pop the hood? What happened?
Dude?
Oh, it's not pretty under there right now, man. I
Oh,
went in the
okay.
other day. Yeah, I'm just in the middle of building it still.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.